Stratasys is announcing that we've become a NASCAR competition partner. And through this partnership, we will be putting 3D printed parts on every one of the new Next Gen cars. Nearly 18 years ago, we formed our partnership with Joe Gibbs Racing, and that was really focused on prototyping. This relationship with the league, with NASCAR, we're actually putting an FDM part under the car, what they call a NACA vent, and we're putting another vent made out of our new SAF technology in the windshield top of the car to help ventilate the driver.
When we started the project, we had used our FDM printers that we have here in the back from Stratasys. We used them nonstop. And when it came time to productionize the thing, we actually just called up Stratasys and asked their experts what did they recommend.
We had prototyped the driver cooling duct out of ASA, and then when we talked to Stratasys Direct about what we needed, the application, and the quantities that we needed, Stratasys Direct actually recommended that we go with SAF.
To supply an entire field, we needed 200 parts, 300 parts, 400 parts, those types of quantities.
The NASCAR parts were printed in the Stratasys H350. It utilizes a big wave powder technology and a unique heating system in order to provide repeatable, accurate, and aesthetically pleasing parts. This is the NASCAR duct. It has a smooth finish out of the printer, and then the dimension equipment that we use to post-process adds the color and final sheen to it. The duct itself is going to be mounted on the windshield directly, with the inlet bringing air in from the outside, and then directed through these outlets with flexible tubing to the driver's chest and legs.
This is a very important piece on all the cars racing out there. It allows air to get to our cool suits, so without this, the cool suit's not going to cool our body as much.
We took a lot of feedback and a lot of advice from the engineers and the experts at Stratasys to help direct us in what we really needed. That was a great dialogue back and forth between our engineers here and the engineers at Stratasys that led us to a solution.
Stratasys provides us with great 3D printing equipment, and Stratasys Direct provides us with great 3D printing services.
The NASCAR Airflow duct is a great application where we've moved 3D printing from the prototype into the production arena. It's a high-performance part being used in a rigorous application within the entire NASCAR Next Gen car fleet.
Kevin Stratasys as a competition partner for NASCAR is a natural progression of the relationship we've always had. It's good to make it formal, and we've always worked with you guys in the past and look forward to working with you guys into the future.
The strength of what we have here is our partners, and Stratasys is one of those.
We're excited about this partnership with NASCAR, and we're really looking forward to where it takes us together.